Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Little Powerhouse 102. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing all right. Yeah, guys, just wanted to share another video with you guys. Very excited to do this one. I got a couple more videos coming, and got a little haul to share with you guys also. But I did want to do this video with you guys, and so you guys could check some things out and talk about the line itself, the Origins line, and what we got going on here right now. I know I did a video a few months back, I think maybe a year ago, something like that. We're talking about variants. Yes, right now we're going to talk about HeMan variants. I know I did one with HeMan and Skeletor and some vintage figures that we got in the 80s with the vintage line and the Origins line. Yes, what are variants? What is a variant? A variant is a figure, or you could say, um, yes, if you get a figure and then you get another one that's the same figure and it has a different paint um, paint app or different head sculpt, whatever is different about the figure itself, that's a variant. I know there's collectors out there that like to collect cards. The That like to collect the figures on the cards, and some cards are made in different countries, so people could read their own language in another country on the card, and things like that. And that makes it just a card variant. But the figure itself, that's a different deal. Yes, let's start doing this video here and talk about the variants we have here. We've been getting quite a bit of He-Man stuff, He-Man figures, and these are the ones in my collection anyway that I've seen different kind of paint app or some kind of anomaly on the figure here. Yes, we're gonna start here with this He-Man here. Um, Here we have the He-Man, the most powerful man in the universe. As you can see, I'm gonna point out, of course, you can see that this is the modern He-Man that we got the first run that we got at Walmart. It was even peg warming, if you guys remember that. And then we got this other He-Man, but now they gave him his original vintage look. But it's the same figure, the same body, the same everything. So that's what makes it a variant. I did not put the exclusive He-Man because you know, and as anybody knows, that's gonna have to come with a different paint app because it's an exclusive figure. But this is figures that came out in mass production in retail, and they came with a different head sculpt. So it is a variant, same body, everything, just the head sculpt is the one that changes. So that's what makes it a variant. And I'm going to show you up here. I hope the camera really shows you the what I'm talking about. If you can see his hair is it's like a shiny, translucent color there on the plastic. As of these down here, they're more of a solid plastic. It's more solid. If you could really see that. So this guy up here, I mean, he came with a it's like a translucent plastic, really shiny plastic on his hair, on his head, and it also, and that's what makes it a variant also. Now that I've been putting a lot of stuff away in boxes, a lot of these origin figures, I've been really watching what I have, and that's what I've noticed on at least the He-Man figures. I'm thinking that they did so many He-Mans throughout the line, um, that when they're, I guess, maybe pouring the plastic for the injectors to do the moldings, sometimes they run out of plastic and they do a second batch, and that's what happens. They start looking a little bit different on the paint job. So that's what maybe I think what's happening here. As you can see here, we got his shiny hair, like translucent hair. I hope the camera really picks that up. And here we have these other He-Mans. It's a more solid yellow, but these are variants, guys. So that'll be pretty cool if you guys start checking your collections and see what you guys really have. And we're gonna go to the next one right here. I believe we did talk about this one last time that we did this video similar like this. Here we got Faker here. We got the Leo Faker there. He got that paint job in his eyes, and he came up with a little bit more accessories. Came with that the loincloth there, and he came with Skeletor's staff also. So came with a little bit different stuff than the regular Faker that we got here. We only got the sword and his chest piece. So that makes it another variant. Yes, that's pretty cool to have in the collection. And even their hair is a little bit different. Let's see if we can see that here in the camera. This one has it's a little bit darker orange on his hair, or pinkish, however you want to put it, but it is different. This one's a little bit brighter, and this one's a little bit more dull, you could say. A little bit more dull. So yeah, so that's another variant. I mean, it's a He-Man body, but it's not He-Man, it's Faker. But I mean, it's just He-Man's mold. And over here, guys, we have the 2000X He-Man here. As you can see, he's exactly the same figure. Exactly the same. But as you can see, they have two different hair colors. And so that makes it a variant, guys. I know these guys are out of the package, but I'm going to show you ones that are in the package also. I mean, I got these like this. I don't know if you guys been getting them like this, if you guys been buying more than one. It's very interesting to see. Like I said, I mean, maybe they've been doing so many He-Mans when when they're in the assembly line. I don't know if people are just snapping on the heads or how they do it, but maybe they're just grabbing, He-Man heads from a batch, and maybe some of them are kind of mixed in, and they grab whatever they're grabbing, and and they put it on the figure. I just don't know how that happens, But this is another variant of He-Man, and here I'm going to show you here. It's on the card here. So here's the He-Mans that you just saw here, but these are in their package right here. So yeah, they've been giving us a little different He-Man here. One with the yellow hair, really yellow hair, and the other one's like more of a darker yellow. This is the most accurate one from the 2000X line, the more darker color He-Man hair. And I'm not saying this is not accurate, but this is more accurate to the cartoon. This one right here. So that it is very interesting, guys, to see variants in the Origins line. Same thing that was going on in the Vintage line. A lot of variants. And we're gonna go to the next He-Man figure, which is the Snake Armor He-Man. Same thing happened to this guy. I mean, it's the same exact head, so maybe the same thing happened to these figures. I mean, look at that, guys. I mean, here's the yellow hair He-Man. and here's the darker hair He-Man. So, so yeah, guys. I mean, what I'm thinking is that they're just grabbing. Maybe when they're assembling this guy, they're putting the head. There's some heads come in. Maybe they're mixed in, or two or three of them are mixed in the box, or I don't know how they're going about and doing that. But we're getting variants in the line like this. So it is interesting to see these variants. It's really really awesome. And we're gonna go to the next to the next to the next figure here. Here we have Battle Armor He-Man. I remember when we got our first Battle Armor He-Man in the line, which was this one. This is one of my favorite He-Mans, guys. Really, really cool. He comes with the striped boots. If you guys can see, it's very hard to get them now. Even in eBay, I was able to get quite a few of them. I really saw this really early in the line, and I go, I better grab you know, the first He-Man, and so I did. I think I got like 5 of these guys right here. And here's our second version of the Battle Armor He-Man. Comes a little bit more shinier. A lot of people liked it a little bit more than the first one. The armor is a little bit shinier. It is cool. I can't say it's not. It's really really cool. Has the original head sculpt. A lot of people were happy when we got that. And I remember when we got our other Battle Armor He-Man, which is the 2-pack with Battle Cat. Really really cool with the back metal. And I barely found this one. On the next He-Man I'm going to show you, the Battle Armor He-Man, I barely saw this one. I barely noticed this anyway. And let's see if the camera can really capture this. Because this is another one with the striped boots. If you can see his head, his face, sorry. It's like a pinkish, it's a pinkish face. But if you see the other one, let's see if we could, you guys can see him. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. Has like a pinkish face. These guys don't have that, and none of them that I've showed you. They have regular skin tone colors, and this one no. I mean, it came with like a pinkish face. So that's another variant. I know they probably, there's some more out there somewhere. Maybe you have it in your collection. You haven't really paid attention to that, but pay attention to all the He-Mans you guys have. Maybe you guys have variants and you guys don't even know it. So this is Battle Armor He-Man. Some variants. Yeah, very very cool. Very very cool stuff, guys. And going back a little bit with the Snake Armor He-Man, I know these are variants, and we're gonna get another Snake Armor He-Man with the 4-pack, with the Snake Man 4-pack. So that's gonna be another variant, guys, because it's the same figure but with a different paint job. So that's gonna be really interesting to see when he comes out, and compare him with this guy right here. Yeah, I just wanted to point that out. Yeah, so here we have Battle Armor He-Man again. As you can see, there's man, those dogs from my neighbor, they just don't stop barking. But okay, let's start finishing this video, and what can we do, right, with those dogs? So here we have Battle Armor He-Man and his variants. Pink face He-Man right there. And we're gonna go down to the other He-Man figure here that we have. Here we have Flying Fist He-Man. Really awesome figure here. I really love it, guys. And what I noticed on this guy, I don't know if you guys could see it, but that's why I put another He-Man up here. This is the first Flying He-Man that I bought. And what I noticed is the same thing on the head sculpt, guys. Here's a solid yellow. A solid yellow. And this one right here, I don't hope the camera picks it up. Here's the like it's like a clear yellow, like the first HeMan that I showed you guys. A clear yellow, like kind of a clear yellow, guys. See if you guys see this. This guy has a different head sculpt, but this one came with another HeMan, but still no. It has the clear yellow on his hair. It's just amazing how these colors are just getting switched or changed. Yeah. Here's the head sculpt right here. This is the clear one that I'm talking about. I don't know if the camera's captioning it. And here's the other one. This is the solid yellow. This is the first one that came out, the first batch. And I was able to get this one at Big Lots. You can see the sticker there from Big Lots, $14.99. This is the one that came with the clear plastic on his head. This is the last batch that they did. So yeah, guys, it's really interesting to see this. It's really cool though to see these variants come out, probably by accident, you know. But yeah, you guys should check out your collections and see what you guys have going on. You guys probably don't even know what you have in your collections, and if they're in their package, I mean, I think it gives it a little bit more volume, not volume, value. Sorry, value to your collections. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Another video talking about the variants of these beautiful action figures, these beautiful line. And yeah, guys, I will be doing a little bit another video on a little haul that I have going on, and talk to you guys what's what am I up to, what am I collecting, and whatnot. Yeah, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I say in all my videos, this is Little Powerhouse 102, and I'm out.